Hello, magnificent, beautiful people, my beloved Terrans. Today, I am here to remind you, with love, of course, to go back to nature, to connect with our beloved Anegalena, our magnificent planet, our home, our shelter, full with love, and proclaim your freedom and grounding to feel the powerful frequencies of love, of healing that our magnificent inner earth people is sending to the surface as a reminder that we are not alone, that we are loved, that we are here with a purpose to remember who we are, who we really are, and to share love and to create magnificent opportunities for our future that is right here, right now, today. Being mindful of the power we have. Remember, when we connect with nature, remember to grounding, to breathe, to be, to feel, to sense, but remember to anchor all that love through our center, through our balance, through our beloved heart chakra, our portal, that incredible portal that is powerful and is bringing us to remember who we really are. Magnificent beings who are experiencing life in these 3D avatars. Magnificent creation. We are experiencing life here, and we are here with an incredible purpose, and is to be grateful, and is to have empathy with each other, and is to share love, and it is to share knowledge with compassion, with love, remembering that we are here to not only share with humans, but also to share with all magnificent beings that are in the water, in the air, in the surface, in the inner earth. In the inner earth, where we have incredible brothers and sisters assisting us and sending us love through the trees, through the collective trees. Remember what you are doing here. We are here to impact lives through love. Through love. And remember to go back to yourselves, but being lovely and powerful, and connect with nature, our beloved Anegalena.